Alright, welcome back. Another episode of Andrea'S Finds. This one's a little different. This one's more for some farm equipment instead of cars. But you know me, I'll find everything. First thing on the list is we got a set of 36-inch forks for a forklift. 3-point mounting. And then we'll come over here. And we got this fancy little digger here. It's got 8 points on it to dig 8. 3-point mount. I got educated on farm equipment today. 8 pieces, 8 holes. Alright. Then we got this piece of equipment over here. This one is 5x18. Scallop Blades. And we got this big one over here. This one's 6 foot 20 inches across. Alright, we got a little aerator over here, 3 foot. Pull behind. Pegs are offset. Alright. Then we got another piece over here that digs holes. 5. Alright. All these pieces of equipment are for sale. You can call me at 386-216-4626, or you can email me at ladycadillac04@yahoo.com. We'll walk around to our next item over here. The whole bundle of plastic pots. Got 2 piles of these. These are all various different sizes, but that whole pile's for sale. That real big one's for me. I'm going to attempt to grow tomatoes this year. We'll see how lucky I get. Then we got the bush hog over here. And the dump trailer. This is in nice shape, this dump trailer. No holes in the floor, no nothing. Needs a paint job, but it's a trailer. But that is also for sale. Alright, we got another piece of equipment over here. Alright, this one's got some Mac Daddy blades on it. Alright, now we'll walk around back. In case you see anything else in this video that I'm not pointing out, everything is for sale, so it's just a matter of when I get to it all. So if you do notice something, feel free to see. He's got some old stuff here, so. Alright. Walking the back 40 for you guys. Alright. Those tree machine things on those trucks over there, they are for sale, but we haven't put a number or anything on those yet. The truck itself isn't. Just the piece of equipment that pulls the tree out of the ground whole. So if you're interested in those, let me know. Then we got a whole another trailer full of flower pots. Most of them are 6-inch, but that whole pile's got to go. Then we got 2 more pieces of equipment over here. Got this fancy gadget. 2 rows of blades. Oh, there's my shadow. Tried to keep my shadow out. Oh well. Alright. Then you got this cutter over here. Alright, so again, all this stuff is for sale. LadyCadillac04 at yahoo.com, 386-216-4626, or you can comment on this video. If you call, please leave a message or send a text. I will call you as soon as I can. Alright, until next time. Sweating in December, this is awful. Look at the greenery for all you guys that are freezing right now. I'll share the sunshine with you and the green grass. But you know, this is the time of year, at least the Christmas to New Year's, when you grew up north, boy, you really miss that cold and white Christmas. Just doesn't feel like December. Go ahead, guys, tell me I'm crazy. Okay, until next time, see you later.